Alright guys, so we're out here. We got some birds. There's 12 out there right now. We got our dogs. We're getting ready to go find them. We got the Frenchie, whatever, pointy gauge. We're gonna see what she can do. I'm gonna throw on the GoPro, get the dogs out the box, and let's go find some birds. Alright, got the shotgun out. Got the GoPro on my head. And right now the dogs are looking for the birds. So we're just walking around waiting for them to point something.
Manny, come on, Sue. Manny. There it goes. Watch it.
Dude, he was right here. He's gone. I probably could have shot him, but I didn't. Whoa, Lucy. All right, I got two birds pointed up. She's pointed up right here. She's pointed up right over there. I'm gonna jump these up when I shoot. Whoa, Lucy.
All right, go ahead.
That one's probably gonna break. So let's go.
You kill yours?
No,
I kill mine.
mine went to the big woods.
Dead, Molly. Dead. Walk yours up.
All right. Where is it at? Where's it at, girl? Coming to you, coming to you.
I got that one. It's just another got up. Here, Molly.
All right, cool. I'm coming to you
Whoa.
to get this one.
Whoa, Molly. Whoa. All right, she got it.
The dead one or the...
No, she left the dead one. Come back to this.
All right.
Come on up. Be right there in front of her.
Yeah, somewhere.
I mean, like right in front of her.
Oh, I sees it.
You ready to shoot? Yeah.
Right there.
Let her pick it up. Bring it there.
Come here. Come here, girl. Bring it to me. Not eat the bird.
Hey, girl, we had to get you some water, ain't we? I want to get you stand right there. I'm gonna go around. Whoa. You see that?
Yes, sir.
Whoa. We'll come out of that pile of sticks right there, okay?
All right.
Are you ready?
Yep.
So come to me a little bit more. And be ready to shoot that direction. Straight in front of you and then back around. So have yourself turn correctly.
Okay. God.
Dead.
It's still flying up the fire line.
Dead. It was not so bad.
I got you. This. Another one. All right, girl.
Molly.
Come on, come on.
Right here.
Whoa, Molly. Whoa, Molly. Start.
Go ahead on up. Whoa, Luke. Whoa. You want me to? Whoa, Molly. You want me to kick it?
I mean, yeah, that's fine.
Whoa.
Whoa, Molly.
Whoa. Step on up a little bit. Go. Whoa. Whoa. What?
Crap.
Watch another bird. Dead.
Lucy, here.
Good girl. Give. Good girl. All right. So I can kick it if you want, but
I would probably get a shot if I kick it.
probably better off because it's gonna be right there. If I go in there, I don't know which way it's gonna go.
Okay. Oh.
Well, you just pay attention to the bird. Don't worry about the dog. If they bust in, just be ready to shoot. Whoa. All right, so be ready. I'm gonna let them go. Okay. Okay. Right here.
That's right. It's on this stump somewhere. Yeah, she caught it. Bring it here, girl. Bring it here.
You ready for what's right?
Bring it here, girl. Yeah, that's.
Uh-oh. Get. 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 Get him, man. Get Molly.
Dead. Dead bird. Dead bird.
Molly.
Dead bird.
Get Molly. Get. Get. Whoa, Molly. Whoa.
It's probably gonna fly towards. Wrong way. All right.
Get. Huh?
I could have killed it, man.
Get.
I was right on it.
Get in here. Right there in that grass. Where's that?
You just stay right here.
Get. Yeah. I'm trying to kick back to her face. Whoa, Molly. Whoa, Molly. There it goes. Molly, whoa.
Let me get on this side of this tree.
Get where you can shoot. Like, step on up a little bit where you shoot around that tree right now. That way. Whoa, Molly. Yeah. Whoa. Get. Get. In that grass, right? I mean, dead in front of her. Drop a leg or anything?
I don't like that.
I don't think so.
Well, I ain't stopped shooting.
Any idea?
Where?
Yeah.
Yes.
You do?
Yes.
Okay. Did it go down to the edge of the field, maybe?
Pretty close.
Okay.
There's
How was it when it got right here?
the tops of this.
You think she went,
Crap.
she went right there?
Well, maybe. I don't think it went that far over there. Unless it circled back around. Or a wild bird.
Find a Molly. Find a Molly.
Unless it's a wild bird right there. Yeah.
There it goes.
There's something.
She really?
Yep, landed right there.
Whoa.
Yep. It's,
You don't expect her.
it's right down there.
Whoa. Whoa, look, whoa, Molly.
Where? Is she?
Right in front of you.
Oh,
Whoa,
see.
Molly. Whoa, Molly. I'm gonna shoot through
This
this hole.
is gonna be terrible.
Huh?
I ain't gonna shoot.
It's gonna be a bird.
Huh?
It's probably gonna be a bird. You're not gonna be able to shoot?
All these darn
Oh, my.
trees. But I can go. I can try. Heck yeah.
I didn't never see it go no dead.
Come here,
Right
girl.
here. Good girl.
Good girl. Good girl.
You think that's the one?
Yeah. It landed. I mean, it was.
Before it got to the pile of crap?
Yeah, it was. It landed right here at the bottom of it.
Okay, all right. I didn't
That's-
know, I thought you meant it went across.
Oh no. It landed right before it got to it.
Okay, well then that's it.
It is. Yep. All right, we ended up with 9 birds. I killed a few. My dad killed a bunch more than me, but still got to shoot. The dogs are tired. I think they found every bird that we put out. Just we didn't kill every single one of them. Got all the birds down here. When we get back to the house, we're gonna line them up, take a picture with them, with us, the birds, and the dog. Catch y'all then. All right, we ended up with 9 birds.